So here we have the 20-volt Enhulk power snow shovel. So this thing's really nice. Definitely more like lightweight, right? So if you're not gonna be moving like feet of snow with this, but it claims about a 6-inch deep snow it'll basically move, and it will move up or clear a path around, so yeah, you're looking around 11 inches, maybe 12. It's got this adjuster here, so when this spins and it's throwing stuff, you can adjust where you want it to throw the snow, so left to right. It's really compact, which I really like, because things like this you're not going to use all the time. So big snow blowers and things like that, they take up so much room. So this one comes apart. It's 3 pieces, so you just pull it apart, you know, and then you just plug it back in when you want to use it, and it got this really big pieces here to put back together. So if you have gloves on or something like that, it's nice that it's big, easy to grab and put back together. So you get your handle here, so it's pretty ergonomic, you know, like I can stand up and use it. It's comes with 1 battery. I'm sure you can buy another one. And this is the charger. So charger is also very small, which I appreciate. It's not like this big bulky thing. And that's the charger. You plug it in and it charges. Let's plug this thing in. Since I don't have, it even says don't put your hand in there. Whoop. Since I don't have any snow, let's go move some leaves. No, but we have this kind of deep grass, or I'm sorry, we have these deep leaves here. Let's see how it does. Probably hitting a bunch of rocks. Definitely not good for it. Not good. All right, so you probably shouldn't use all kinds of things stuck in it. So I think this thing would work pretty well. I don't see anything that concerns me. When it does snow, I'll definitely do an updated video on it. This is not a sponsored video by any means or anything like that. All right, just wanted to show you something I got. I will put a link to this down below if you want to pick one of these up. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Please consider subscribing. Please like the video. I'm Mike, and I'm Enhulk, out. Let's see if it breaks. Yep, still good.